how to connect Creatomate with n8n step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Creatomate to n8n step by step. If you have ever wanted to automate the creation of videos or images using dynamic data, this integration is game changer. So once it is connected, you will be able to automatically generate personalized content, whether it is for social media videos, marketing images, or custom visuals, is straight from your workflow in n8n. Now let's jump in and connect Creatomate to n8n. Just few easy steps. Before you that, you have to have the Creatomate account, which is free. You can create for free, and the n8n could be cloud version and container Docker container. So let's move. So as you can see here, this is my workflow, simple workflow. I have connected Salesforce and monday.com just to make tutorial. Now I'm going to go, and now we don't have any a node for Creatomate. In order to do that, just connect that, you have to search for http request, and now just import this. Now over here, let's connect just for fun. And now here in the method, you have to search for post. And over here, you have to enter the URL. So let's go to our Creatomate templates. So this is the workflow, or this is a dashboard when you create account, or when you create or login into your account. So click on this API logs. So as you can see here, I have created this quick promo. So let's go to quick start, go to templates. You have to choose template, click on this new button, click on this your text button. From here you can choose different type of templates. So this is a template I'm going to use. Now you have to set up the landscape, or you have to choose the resolution of the video, or this. I will choose this and click on this create template. Now after that, from here, if you want to make changes like face, name, or anything like that, just do that and click on this use template button. Just you have to click on this use template button, and from here in the bottom you will get this API integration. So you can integrate with Zapier as well, make or probably as well. You can connect with thousands of without any code, but I will suggest you to go with API and integration. Now click on that and copy this UCL ID and go back to your workflow. Now over here, first let's add our URL. So what you have to do is copy this URL and then paste into here. Now you have to set authentication none. Now click on this send header. Now over here you have to add the authentication, and then you have to add bear. Now go back to your Creatomate and copy this if you want to copy, and scroll down a little bit, and you have to add parameter. No, you don't need to add over here. So click on this add option. So you have to find the JSON for that. Okay, so you can import directly from C URL. Click on it and just put this and click on this import. So as you can see, we have successfully added our name, then barrier, then this is the API key. How you can find the API key? Go to your Creatomate.com and click on these three dots and click on this project session. So from here you will get three things. First is public token, webhook URL, and API key. So click on this reveal button and copy this API key and paste into over here. So make sure you have one space after the barrier, and scroll down a little bit and you have to paste here, and let's execute. This should be turned on. Click on this execute step. I'll wait for a few seconds. It's loading. Now, as you can see here, we have successfully executed our node. So if you want to see the video, what you have to do is just find the URL of the video. So let's see. This is now in the third position, you will in the output, in the third position, you will get the URL of this video. As you can see here, it works great. So this is how you can do that. So this is basically how you can connect your uh, Creatomate with n8n. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel. And if you want to make automation for this, just simply comment it down. I will create video for that. Thanks for watching.